What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Astro Cuddy, and we are back with the season finale of season 1. Yes, I'm gonna do multiple seasons because I'm gonna keep copping sneakers. I gotta keep showing y'all the heat and progressing. But this is the season finale, season 1 in the books. I think it's about 13 episodes. It's episode 14 to 13. I lost count, but I got myself, my final pair of season 1, and the pair I actually wanted for a minute. Well, before I even show y'all the sneaker, y'all already know the deal, man. Subscribe to the channel, like, and comment. Ring that bell because season 2 coming soon. It's coming with some heat. Like, I'm trying to get to the point where I get Nike Air Max, bro. Like, no one understands how much I want the shits. Also, shout out to my boy Karma. Like, I really love this hoodie. Like, this has become my favorite hoodie, and I'm gonna get a second one. That's an Astro with the hoodie, bro. Like, that's tough. That is tough. Shout out to my son Karma, man. Another hoodie on the way. Watch. That shit gonna be so crazy. So here I am with another pair of Dunks. And it's funny because like the summer's really ending. September's literally like a day away or tomorrow. But I really went dunk crazy this entire summer, like from highs and lows. But this pair, I think this is the best pair of Dunks that came out in 2021. Like, this is the best pair. Like, no one can tell me otherwise. No one can tell me otherwise. So, box. Yeah, I got, if you know, you know. But before I show y'all, if you know, you know. I really got another pair of undefeated Nike Dunks. Next, I'm gonna cop the Air Force Ones, because the Air Force Ones are hard. But these right here, though, whoo, boy, oh boy, I was waiting for these. Oh man, you see this? Donda playing in the background too. See, God done miracles on me, man. God done miracles on me. But I got myself the Nike Undefeated Dunks 5 on it. I don't know why they named it that, but this sneaker, like my other ones, is actually different. The tongue is way different. It has like a little bit of cushion. This has like a weird like type of material, like a rough type of material. The purple is just, I wish these actually came with purple laces. I'm kind of tight they didn't, because it would have went well. They came with like white laces and I guess like this kind of color. That's what I really love about the Dunks too. Like the fact that this shit is just like, it looks very old. It looks like it's aged. And yo, aged soles. If I learn how to do that, I'm doing that for my 5s. I'm doing that for a pair of my 1s. Because when something looks aged, sometimes it looks way better, bro. Looks way better. But I really love this shoe. I wanted this shoe for a while. I was mad that I didn't get it, and I was like, nah, I need this, because the colorway goes crazy. If you haven't noticed, shit is snakeskin, bro. Like, come on, man. Look at that. That's crazy. This is a crazy shoe. This is a crazy shoe. Shout out to GOAT, man. Been consistent with them for the entire summer. Hopefully they give me a sponsorship. I'll be sending them my videos. I hope they end up seeing it. But for real though, like, out of all the Dunks that I've seen this entire year, and I've seen some shit, colorway wise, I'm sorry, this has to be the best one, because what the fuck? Like, what the actual fuck, bro? That's hard. And like, I never seen a shoe with like blue and purple and then like with like an aged sole. Feel me? So, for the shoe to look like that, I fuck with it. Oh, the box! No! I'm gonna drop the box. I'm gonna drop the box, y'all. But I ain't gonna lie, I don't know, the blue laces, I'm not feeling it though. Like, they have white, I'm not feeling the white either, because someone like fucks up my laces, it's on site. Like, we really gotta scrap at that point. But I might change it to the aged color. Like it's not even in yellow. This is not even yellow. This is just like a. Damn, I wish I could like show it better. I don't know how to describe it, but this. It's age. It looks like it's been in the fucking box for like 40 years, bro. One thing I really do like about the shoe is the tongue. I like how it's like. I feel like dunk tongues should be at least like this. They shouldn't be so thin, but they shouldn't be puffy like SB dunks. They should be like, you know, like that. I haven't untied them yet. I haven't, you know, put my foot in them yet. I did smell it though. And telling y'all, man, I love that. I love that sneaker smell. But this right here, bro. Come on. As the last shoe for season 1, I feel like this was out of 10. This is probably a 9.5. This haven't broken the scale yet. It's something calm. To everyone else, it might look crazy. To me, it's something calm. But for season 2, when y'all see what I get, y'all gonna be like, oh shit. Especially for episode 1. Ooh. Episode 1 gonna be so crazy, y'all. Oh man. Yo, I'm sorry. Like, I might have to do reaction videos on albums and shit because I love music. And the shit that I be hearing, like, yo. Like, Drake dropped Friday. I don't really give a fuck about that because like, I fuck with Drake, but I guess it's just the fan base. Niggas be acting like he really the GOAT, and I'm like, nah, he's really not, bro. But Drake dropped Friday. I think Don Toliver dropped Friday. Fuck, who else? I think that's it. I think so. Fago drops tonight or Thursday. I'm bugging. But yeah, I might like. I'm a transition to actually doing like reactions on like songs and like new drops and albums and stuff like that. Of course, I'm gonna come back to the whole, you know, sneaker game. Come on, you know, I'm never gonna leave y'all. But at the same time, you know, this is season 1. This is the end of season 1. I caught myself something calm. I love the collaboration with Undefeated. Stay tuned because there'll be some more Undefeated, but they're never always gonna be dunks. Always watch that. But yeah, like this. It's been a journey. I'm proud of myself for actually completing season 1 and not stopping and like, you know, giving up. It was hard, but I really got through it, and I appreciate and I love every single one of y'all out there that actually share my videos, that comment, that support me, from friends and family. I really, really do appreciate it. Like, much love to all of y'all. Keep rocking with me. I'm always gonna switch it up. Y'all will see vlogs again when I start traveling. Y'all will see the Rolling Loud vlog. That's gonna be crazy. Hopefully my phone won't get fucked up. Y'all gonna see a lot. Fashion, I'm still doing fashion. Sneakers is considered fashion, so y'all already know, man. But y'all gonna see like some outfit vlogs and stuff like that. And of course, reactions to songs. Kid Cudi's wildin' on that shit, bro. He's wildin' on that track, B. I ain't gonna lie, I really fuck with these. And I just, yeah, that shit right there, the material just goes so crazy. But yeah, I'ma holla at y'all, man. I'ma, you know, go put these on, lace them up real quick and stuff like that. Gotta find an outfit. Gotta find an outfit. And I have to, like, wear these before the summer's out. But thank you, everybody, for tuning in. Season 1 is now in the books. Season 2 coming out very soon. Stay tuned. Love all of y'all. Peace.